And your name is?
Virginia.
Virginia. So you came to Dr. Jasper's. What for?
I was having excruciating pain in my calf. I couldn't walk. I couldn't do all the things that um, I, I, I just couldn't do anything. I didn't have a life. I couldn't work. I couldn't socialize. I was incapacitated.
Yeah, the pain shut you off, right?
Exactly. It was awful.
Yeah. So did you know how you injured yourself?
No, that's the weird thing. All my life I have been going to a chiropractor, and I would have problems with my back going out, and I'd go for an adjustment, and I would feel fine. Then this summer, I walked back and forth in flip-flops to the clubhouse, and all of a sudden I was having these shooting pains across my back, and I went to the chiropractor, and he couldn't seem to do anything for me. And then I started with the pains down my leg, and once again I got no relief. So on top of that, I developed a sinus infection, and I went to my ENT, and he helped me with the sinus infection, and I said, okay, now what can you do about sciatica? And he said, wrote down a little script, and he said, Dr. Gabriele Jasper. And I thought, okay. So I came to see Dr. Jasper, and he started with the injections, and we went through a series of injections. And unfortunately, in between the injections, you have to wait 3 weeks, and unfortunately, they just really never helped me. So obviously, prior to coming to see Dr. Jasper, I had an MRI, and he explained to me what could be down the road. He was going to try and do it with the injections, and if that did not work, he had the surgery that he had developed. And so, I looked at his website, and I thought, oh my gosh, that's really interesting. And so it turned out that I was a candidate for the surgery.
The endoscopic discectomy, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So I walked into his surgical unit at 12:30, and I walked out at 3:30. And
it was just a little Band-Aid on you, right?
Yeah, nothing, absolutely nothing. I had no pain whatsoever. I did not take any medication. Came back a week later, just for a checkup, and have been wearing my brace and paying attention to not doing anything that would cause a herniation, and I've got my life back.
And you feel great today, yeah?
Oh my gosh, I just it's unbelievable. I get into bed at night, I can roll around, I can get up in the morning, nothing, absolutely nothing.
And what do you think about Dr. Jasper?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He's just so giving, and I mean he's just the best. He has so much time for you. He's just
he gives his patients all the same amount of time. He really gets to know you in that on a personal level.
He's just like I'm your friend.
Yeah. So if you had to talk to a patient who was second guessing themselves as to whether to come here or not, what would you say to them?
Don't give it another thought.
Yeah.
Don't take away any more time of your life that you've been robbed. Don't even think twice about it.
That's great.
He'll take care of you. He will take care of you.
All right. Well, thank you. It's been wonderful meeting you.
Thank you. Likewise.